What's up? Hey you guys, what is up? What is up? Welcome back to a new vlog. So anyways, we're at the laundromat. Right here. Yeah. I'm about to wash that the minute we reach back by her father. So we're at the laundromat. We had a washing service came this morning for our clothes, but these ones we took to the laundromat because it was soiled, okay? They were soaked. So we had a problem with the toilet bowl, and the toilet bowl like overflow, and some of the clothes got wet in the basket and we didn't even know. So they were like in the basket for a freaking whole week wet. Gross, right? So we decided to take those ones to the laundromat, the wet ones, and give the washing service the other clothes what was dry. Because I don't know, we just couldn't send those wet smelly clothes there. I mean, they would accept them, but I don't know, you know, we don't want our name to get stained like those other people with the wet nasty clothes, you know, send them them. So we took those ones to the laundry bag. So yeah. Anywho, you guys, so we stopped on the park. My baby's on a swing. This is the first time ever on a swing. The clothes are still at the washers. We just came out here for a few minutes. I don't want to go there because y'all, I don't want no bra. Okay, my bra is inside Brianna's bag, but I don't feel like putting it on to go out there. Look at my stinker thing. She look like she's loving that child. I'm surprised she ain't cry.
This little one go. She won't go. So good, this one. Her eyes on me. I can't get off the floor for nothing, bro. I have to go. She ain't
Ooh, child. Anyway, so we're back at the laundromat. Yeah. Getting the clothes. Then I need some. I'm feeding some pizza. I didn't go by Little Caesar to get some pizza. Then head back by Brianna's father so I can wash her hair. Okay, Brianna. Anyway, so we stopped at Little Caesar to get the pizza. Yes, sir. We're getting pizza. Just saw us say something you extra, sir.
That's something new I get. Look at it.
Something new. They have new stuff now.
Cheese stick, try it.
So there's 5 pepperoni. That's for $12.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get that. I don't want to be all scared. Anyways, I decided to get they chicken stick look good though. I'm gonna fall as fast. So I know you won't like a lot of pizza anyway.
No.
Roll, roll, roll your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Good morning, you guys. So it's the next day. I was supposed to come back on the vlog yesterday, but I didn't. I got the wash pre here. What else? I even planned that last night. I was so happy. I finished that. So, girl, listen to me. We have a whole heap of clothes, okay? The service brought our clothes back yesterday. At least I have a little bit of clothes inside. They have like at least 6 pieces of clothes inside the basket what they brought back, because y'all know that all my clothes is at home, and a little piece of clothes that I left here I just keep on wearing them over and over again. Most of my clothes are home and I'm not bringing them here, so whatever I bring here, that's what I wear. Or I'll just wear his t-shirt and his boxes and so forth. That's yeah. But for some reason I still end up with a lot of stuff here. I don't know, like when I go to the store and buy stuff, I accumulate a lot of stuff here. I'm just warming up some leftovers from last night because I'm hungry. Give me some energy to get through these clothes. At least the clothes are already full. I just have to put them up and then go in that kitchen and tackle that. So this is what she's looking like. And those are the stink clothes over there where we went to the laundromat and wash. And they're still stink. We washed them twice. They're still stink, babes. Like what the fuck? Pretty stinky and I smell it. Look at my baby here. I think I did a good job. Come, Bree. Let me drink your pampers. Come.
So, yes. Oh. All alone. Now I miss my.
Good job. Anyways, y'all, the clothes is almost finished. I'm not gonna record all of it, but just know I got some more to go. A lot more to go. After that, I'm just gonna go in the kitchen and do the kitchen. After I'm done from putting up the rest of the clothes.
Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V. Yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed, so for the Paris. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V. Yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece. Full speed.
Oh, child. Anyways, guys, so I just came on here to end the vlog because I didn't end the vlog. that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy the dance vlog. Bye.